Now let us discuss about the future sentences. Okay, future sentence, how we are using the persons and the verbs. Okay, we already having the formula in the previous session. Okay, we know the formula, then we have to apply in these sentences. Okay, sentences in future tense. Okay, sentences in future tense. My first one is मैं जाऊंगा. मैं जाऊंगा. The keyword for मैं is ऊंगा. For the future tense, we have to join to the verb जा plus ऊंगा. जाऊंगा. मैं जाऊंगा. Okay, I shall go. तुम जाओगे. Here, see, here for the person, first person, we have to add unga. Then for the second person, we have to add oge. Okay, tum jaoge, you will go. You will go. Then for the second person, see, vah jayega. Okay, the root verb or the formula is for my is unga, tum oge, vag is ega. Okay, if it is female, then we have to pronounce it as in the e sound, egi. Okay, vag if it is female. Okay, vah jayegi. Okay, in here I have written this as male person. He will go. See, at next one, plural format. Plural format, आप जाएंगे, you will go. See here, एंगे. Okay, verb plus एंगे. Then for the plural format, they जाएंगे. Okay, वे जाएंगे. Then for plural format, we, here also we have to put येंगे. See the formulas, मैं ऊंगा, तुम ओगे, वह यह, एगा एगी. Then for आप एंगे, वे also एंगे, हम also एंगे. Okay, हम जाएंगे, we shall go. Okay, then for next we can see how it comes in the sentences format, full sentences with object. तुम आज शाम को क्या करोगे? तुम आज शाम को क्या करोगे? What will you do this evening? Okay, तुम आज शाम को क्या करोगे? What will you do this evening? The next one, आज श्याम की बहन गाएगी. See here, this is a female. So the root verb plus the for the future tense we have to add egi. Ga is the verb plus egi, gaegi. Shyam's sister will sing today. Okay, this is the format. Then क्या तुम भी आओगी? क्या तुम भी आओगी? Will you also come? Now we cannot identify here this is male or female. We can see here आओगी, so this is a female. Then will you also come? सिर्फ तुम और मैं जाएंगे. सिर्फ तुम और मैं जाएंगे. Only you and I will go. Only you and I will go. और कोई नहीं आएगा. और कोई नहीं आएगा. No one else will come. No one else will come. आप यह किताब खरीदेंगी. आप यह किताब खरीदेंगी. Will you buy this book? Will you buy this book? तुम गोबू से कब मिलोगे? तुम गोबू से कब मिलोगे? When will you meet गोबू? मैं तुमसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा. मैं तुमसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा. I shall ask you a question. I shall ask you a question. मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा. मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा. Here we can put any other. Okay, मैं अध्यापक बनूंगा. मैं इंजीनियर बनूंगा. Like that. I shall become a doctor. मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा. Okay, we have to know the formula and use it in these future sentences. Then the first one, मैं जाऊंगा. I shall go. तुम जाओगे. You will go. वह जाएगा. He will go. आप जाएंगे. You will go. वे जाएंगे. They will go. Here also हम जाएंगे. We shall go. तुम आज शाम को क्या करोगे? What will you do this evening? आज श्याम की बहन गाएगी. Shyam's sister will sing today. Okay, गाएगी means sing. क्या तुम भी आओगी? Will you also come? सिर्फ तुम और मैं जाएंगे. Only you and I will go. और कोई नहीं आएगा. No one else will come. आप यह किताब खरीदेंगी. Will you buy this book? तुम गोपू से कब मिलोगे? When will you meet गोपू? मैं तुमसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा. I shall ask you a question. मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा. I shall become a doctor. Okay, now we have a clear idea about the future sentences. Okay, we have to use the formulas in these sentences. Then only we can use it in the day-to-day life and speak easily.